everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, Dragonfly Beez Resell Journey, thank you for tuning in. This video is a impromptu pop-up video sale. I pulled a bunch of pieces that I have in my inventory and I wanted to offer them today. So first off, we have these cross pendants. First one is silver tone with black faceted rhinestones. This one here is nice. It's like a brass tone, I guess, with beautiful deep amber tone rhinestones. The last one is also silver tone with clear AB coated rhinestones. They're each on a faux leather cord. They each have a lobster claw with a little extender. And they're about, I would say, approximately 16 inches in length. This one here has a double cord in black. The second one has a brown cord, double cord. And the last one has like a braided cord. And that's the one with the clear faceted rhinestones. So we have these three to kick off this sale. Next up, I have these glass beaded necklaces. They are each 60 inches in length, full length. They are each hand knotted. They don't have any clasp. I have one in this champagne color. It's really long. I have one in this deep chocolate color. I mean, it's a very deep brown. And the last one, well, what color would you call this? Copper? Wow, I'm going off the table. So we have these. Maybe if I put them that way. Aren't they nice? We love glass. Well, I do at least. Okay, next up I have some silver tone pendant necklaces. So let's start off with the first one here. Very nice, delicate silver tone chain with the lobster claw. Let's measure the drop on this, and it is 8.5 inches, and it says sister. I don't have a sister, but if you do, maybe you can give this to her. Filled with rhinestones, and they are all there. And there's the back. I just thought it was very sweet. So we have the sister pendant necklace. Next up we have this eagle. There's the back of him. There's no maker's mark, but you have this really cool geometric design on the back. It is on a really nice hefty chain that doesn't have a clasp. The drop on this chain is 14.5 inches. So we have this really nice eagle pendant necklace. This next pendant is open work. There's the back. Has some enameling and rhinestones in the center and all around. It's a pretty big size. It is on this silver tone chain, which has a 12-inch drop. Chain is really nice. It has a spring ring clasp. So we have this very sweet pendant. This next one is also on a silver tone chain. This one does have a lobster claw. The chain has a 13.5-inch drop. But look at this. You could see through those eyeballs. This reminds me of Mardi Gras or Masquerade. It's a mask or even a jester. There's multicolor rhinestones all around the crown or the hair. Pink rhinestones all around its face. And even clear rhinestones on the nose. Really unusual. There's the back. No name. So we have this really neat mask pendant necklace, I guess. Yeah. Next up, we have some gold tone necklaces. This one here has a 7.5-inch drop. Beautiful chain with a spring ring clasp. It's holding this simple glass faceted rhinestone. Look how it's set. It looks like it has a crown setting. Really sweet. That's the back of it. So we have this one. Oops. Come on, don't be shy. And that shine is incredible. I should test it. Possibly CZ, who knows? I mean, look at that. So we have this fish is also on a similar chain. This one has an 8.5-inch drop. It also has a spring ring clasp. The fish articulates. Gold tone fish. I guess those rings are supposed to be fins or scales. It has a red bead eye on both sides. So we have this fish pendant necklace, and I think it's really cool. The next necklace is also on a gold tone chain. This also has a spring ring clasp. This has a drop of approximately 10 inches. Oh, what is that? What is that? Is that a bead? Or maybe, I don't know. It feels like a bead. That's odd. But look what it's holding. This glass bead tassel. Really nice colors of blue, like an off-white and a tan. Very ornate filigree bead cap. Then you have this roped ring here that has this faceted glass bead that has like a gradient effect. Like one side looks opalescent, the other side has like a brown tone. So this is pretty it's pretty neat. So we have this one. Let's see if I could show it to you in its entirety, or maybe place it down so you can see exactly. Like so. Can you picture that? Okay, next up I have this set. It's still new on card. It's from Kohl's. And it's a double strand silver tone necklace. As you can see, it is layered. It has these really nice double-sided bezel stations, along with some silver tone beads that are ribbed. And then it comes with a set of matching hook earrings. So I'm not going to take it off the card, so I'm going to give you an estimate as to how long the drop may be on the shorter strand. So I see there is an extender, must be a lobster claw. So I'm going to say that this is about 14 inches in drop and possibly more than 15 inches for the longer strand. So let's take a look at it. Silver tone. Here's the hook earrings. It says color from Kohl's, and the price tag has been removed. Very nice chain. Here you see the components, and those panels are square and rectangular in shape. And I think it's a really pretty necklace due to the nice blue shades that it contains. So there's a lighter shade of blue and a darker one. So we have this set. Next up, I have some pendants. This one here, that's glass, faceted, amber tone. It is a locket. And it says Avon. I'm going to say this locket doesn't really close as securely. Maybe this has to be bent a little. There is a little bail that's attached. And I see on the back side, there must have been perhaps a rollover clasp here, because I do see the markings of where a pin may have been. So this possibly was a pendant brooch. So we have this from Avon, and yeah, it's, let's see what this is. That looks like it has to be cleaned up right there. So we have that. Next up, look at this. It's a globe. It's a pendant. There's the clasp. You snap that in. And it's this really nice blue enamel with the gold tone raised design that shows, I guess, the countries. And then here you have this I guess this is a faux pearl hanging off the bottom. So there's the clasp. So we have this. I mean, I don't know, this is, look, I would like that as a decor. So we have this. And then next up I have these two purse pendants, or you know, they actually sit up so they can be used as a display. This I believe is aventurine. It has a gold tone handles. Super sweet. And this, I'm guessing this is possibly a obsidian. It's a black stone with the gold handles. So we have these. Last item is this, I believe it's a Russian lacquered circle brooch. Beautifully painted, hand painted. And looking at it, I do see these lines. See those lines? But I guess that's due to age. Oh, the ring light is in the way. Here, that way you can see it nicer. On the back, it is very old. Look at that pin. It's a C clasp. And that pin is pretty worn. And there's the signature. I'm not going to read it. But we have this. And this wraps up the pop-up sale. So I hope you enjoyed this little, very little and short quickie pop-up sale. Next up, I think I'm going to do some rings. Yeah, I have a bunch of rings that I still have in my inventory. Lots of costume rings and sterling silver, marcasite and turquoise and even moonstone. And let's see, labradorite. And this here is a Nikki Butler. So, yeah, this is CZ right there. Okay, so this will be coming up. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Please comment. I love to read your comments. And if there's anything you like to purchase, email me at dragonflybeez@gmail.com. The instructions are always in the beginning of my videos after my introduction. And I also include them below in the description box. If anything sells, I will create a sold list, and it will be a pinned comment shown below in the comment section. I normally invoice and ship towards the end of the week because I tend to post my videos at the start of the week. And if there's anything you want me to hold, that's absolutely fine. You just have to let me know. Subscribe if you haven't already. These deals are for my subscribers. And ring the bell. Ring that bell and click on the bell and choose all notifications. That way you'll be alerted when I post new content. So, in the meantime, thanks everyone for spending a little time with me today. And I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.